What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of the kart build. Today, I'm obviously not starting with the kart. I'm out here at a lake and we're gonna see if the ice is thick enough to drive the kart on this lake. So right now, it's about negative 5.5 degrees Celsius. It's been pretty cold the last week and we're just gonna go drill some holes. I got this drill down there and a screwdriver. And if the ice is well over 5 inches, we're gonna try to send the kart here later today. So let's go check it out. Alright guys, here we go. First hole in the ice. Now this is pretty close to the edge here, so I don't know if this is going to be representative of the whole lake, but I'm really hoping that it's thick enough to drive this kart out here because I really want to. Alright guys, that's 5 inches right there. And it feels like it's pretty solid. It's a lot thicker than 5 inches. Here's another one farther out, 5 inches right there, with plenty of ice below that. So this is pretty cool right here. I drilled down this little crack so you could really see how deep the ice is. And it looks to be at least 6 inches deep pretty consistently around this lake. Alright, so while doing that inspection, I found out that it was between 5 1/4 inches at the thinnest to around 6 1/4 plus at the thickest. So I'm going to do a little bit more research, but I think that this ice should be thick enough for the kart. And I was also reading that new ice is stronger than old ice, and this ice is very fresh because it really only started getting cold here the last like 2 or so weeks, so the ice is pretty new. I do know someone raced an ice bike out here because there are tracks from an ice bike, and those were there for a couple of days, and it was cold for the couple of days since then. So I think we should be alright, and we're going to try to get this kart out there. Alright guys, we're going ice driving. We're going to load the thing up and then drive up to the lake and we'll show you the conditions and go out for a rip. Load it up and good to go. Obviously, we're on these slicks right now. I just want to go out there, slide around a little bit and have some fun. Honestly, I'm going to have no traction and I'm going to work on building a set of studded tires. But for now, we're just going out to have a quick little bit of fun and see how this goes. Alright, we've arrived at the lake. Alright guys, we're out here. We got it started up and warmed up. I'm going to push it out past that rough patch of ice there, and then we should be good to go to see how this thing rips on some really slick ice. Alright guys, we're out past part of the ice and we're going to give it a shot. Like I said, we're going to have no traction, but it should be really fun. so much fun. It's so slow, but it's so much fun.
All right, guys, we're out here on the lake. I just drove it, and it is so much fun. You go super, super slowly, but you're sliding the whole time and have to be super smooth on the controls to actually control it and get it to turn and steer. But yeah, it's super, super fun. Alright guys, I threw the keyway for the sprocket carrier here. I knew that was a potential issue, which is why I tried to tape it there, but as you can see, it's gone, and that was right when I was getting up to some speed too.
Probably why.
Yep. And that's going to wrap this ice driving up. I'll do a little recap once we get back home, but this was sick. What did you think?
That was a great time, yeah. Definitely something you'd never done anything like before.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's a wrap on this ice karting. I thought it was an absolute blast. I thought it was actually way more fun than I was expecting. And you actually got some grip once you got going. If you got on the gas, you were able to pretty easily control and rotate the kart around. What do you think, Gus?
Yeah, it was a good time for sure. Teaches you car control in a completely new way. And it's just a lot different than everything we've done before.
What do you think, Dad?
I was a terrible driver. I just kept getting stuck.
Yeah, he was doing donuts the whole time out there, but we all had a blast. Thank you so much for watching this video. We might make a set of studded tires to go out there again, but honestly, just doing that like this was way more fun than I was expecting, and it was definitely a good time not having a lot of grip, so you're able to do those big slides across the lake. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you liked it, and subscribe for more kart content. Take care.